everybody is making this mistake in their fat loss journey. So if you don't want to do this and avoid this mistake, so watch this video at least 3 to 4 minutes so you can avoid this mistake. So let's start. My name is Jayesh and this is Gahana the Fit, and I am online personal trainer and nutrition coach. If you subscribe to my channel, you will get daily workout, abs workout, nutrition guide and this type of knowledge. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. So let's start. 5 things you want to do if you want to achieve that weight loss or fat loss. First thing I want to talk about, write a brutal and honest letter to yourself about why do you want to achieve this goal. Why do you want to lose weight? Write down all the points. Why do you want to? For whom you want to reduce this weight? Write all that point. Why do you want to achieve this goal? Why do you want to lose weight? Why I am saying this? Because many of us get demotivated in our weight loss journey. So you ever need motivation? Read all that point. Why do you want to lose weight? Read step by step all the point and you will get the motivation you want. So read all the points whenever you need motivation. And second thing I want to talk about, make small changes in your routine. Because if you do all the things in one day, you will get disturbed and your schedule get disturbed. So you get demotivated. And again, you don't have to do this. So make small changes, like if you are drinking 5 to 4 cup coffee or tea in a day, reduce them. Drink 2 cup. And if you want to achieve that goal, you have to do this. Make small change in your routine so you can achieve big change in the end. And third point I want to talk about, cut the all sodas, cold drink and sugar from your diet. If you do this, you will see huge difference. You will feel more energetic from inside. You will feel more fresh. You will feel more alive. So cut all the cold drink, soda and sugar from your diet. And fourth thing I want to talk about, do at least 4 to 5 days exercise in a week for 30 to 60 minutes. Because this will help you to burn that extra calories you are eating. So that's why you have to do workout and commit to yourself and make a habit. So you can do workout 4 to 5 days in a week. And then you feel more energetic and then you feel more alive. And fifth thing I want to talk about, eat more vegetable. Add more vegetable in your diet. So this will give you all the energy and all the nutrient you need to achieve that weight loss and fat loss. And you feel more energetic from inside because your body get detox. When you eat vegetable, you will get all the nutrient, all the vitamins and minerals, and your body get detox from inside. So I want you to eat more vegetable if you want to achieve your goal. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share with someone and comment down below what you have learned from this video. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.